The Shiatsu Foot Massager with Heat by KNQZE offers a professional-grade massage experience, targeting reflex zones and providing comprehensive coverage for your feet. It features adjustable heating with 3 levels, ranging from 113 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and customizable auto-off timers to suit personal preferences. This device replicates the techniques of professional masseurs with deep kneading and air compression, effectively easing muscle tension from toes to heels. Convenience is prioritized with a wireless remote control, allowing operation without bending, and the massager's lightweight design makes it easily portable. The foot covers are removable for simple cleaning, ensuring hygiene is maintained, while the high-quality ABS waterproof material adds to its durability. This foot massager is an excellent gift option for loved ones and comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind with free replacements for any damage within the warranty period.